What is up, everybody? It's very early in the morning, but I bet by the title of the video you can tell what we're doing today. We are climbing that guy.
Just because we're not alone, you echo words you've heard. You let me go just to watch me discern. Just because it feels the same.
And if for some reason you didn't read the title of the video, we are climbing Mount Washington today, which is up there. You can't really see it. Yeah, it's actually the highest mountain in the northeast United States. So yeah, that's pretty rad. We're just gonna get some clips. It'll just be like some edit, but yeah, I'll just get some cool shots. Anyone want to go for a swim? Just kidding, it's really cold though. We're almost to the Lake of the Clouds hut, so yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna text you. I'll call you later today because I'll be reading. I love you.
Sorry. Alright, we just left the Lake of the Clouds hut. Now we're heading up to the summit, which is right up there. But yeah, let's go center.
I got up, put on my warmest coat. 6.5 hours later.
The winds like 2 minutes ago just reached 72 miles per hour, which is crazy. To people who like don't live around here, the highest wind speed ever recorded up at the summit was 231 miles per hour, and that's the world record. Craziest weather up here in the whole world. This is some knowledge for you guys.
Knowledge.
If you guys enjoyed that random time jump, because now it's 4 days later than that last clip. Mount Washington was the most insane place I've ever gone in my whole life, I'd say. The winds were around like 70, 75, 80 miles per hour, and like keep in mind, it's like pretty much almost July, and it was like in the 30s for temperature, like 30 degrees Fahrenheit, and it was like wind chills like it was like wind chills like 18 too. It was insane. There's still a ton of snow up there, as you can see. There's people skiing. But yeah, it was a great hike. It was like a perfect day. It was just all sunny. It felt actually really good to get up there in the cold and like be around snow again. It just kind of made me want to ski. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll definitely be making some more videos soon. We are going to Maine next week, so I probably won't get any videos out until like a week and a half to like 2 weeks, because like I can't really upload there. Mount Washington was so sick. I totally recommend doing it if like you're up for the hike. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.